Good morning, students. Today's topic is handling of prescription. The following steps are involved in handling of prescriptions for compounding and dispensing of a drug to the patient by pharmacist. First step is receiving, second step is reading and checking, third one is collecting the materials, fourth one is weighing, fifth one is compounding and labeling and packaging, fifth one is finishing. The first step is receiving. While prescription can be received by only qualified registered pharmacists, for receiving the prescription by the pharmacist does not change their facial expressions. It may influence the impression of the physician. It includes reading of prescription and checking the prescriptions. If any doubts or occurs, consult the senior physician. Next one, reading and checking. Prescription should be completely carefully read from the top to bottom, for it can be written in proper format or not, and also checked for error of dosage, wrong dosage or wrong dosage form, contraindication of the drugs, or any synergistic effect of drugs or antagonist drugs effects are occurs in the prescriptions. Any drug interactions can be included in the prescriptions for checked. All prescriptions should be examined in the behind the counter only. If any doubt or occurs in the prescriptions, contact senior pharmacist or consult prescriber or physician. Does not discuss it with patient. Next one, collecting, weighing and materials. Before the weighing, all materials required for compounding of a medicament collected from the storeroom and placed in the left side of the balance. After weighing process can be completed, it can be transferred into right side of the balance. Once collected, all materials collected from the storeroom can be checked for 3 times. It involves first time is taken from the shelf, and second one is contents removed from the shelf or container during weighing or measuring the volume checked. The third time is returned back to the proper place. These are 3 times weigh the and measuring the volume of medicament checked. Next one is compounding, labeling and packaging. During compounding, all process can be done at neat place. Equipment and also place should be having clean and neat. At one time, only one prescription can be compounded. All process should be accurate and proper technique. While prescribing the it after compounding process can be completed, it can be packed in suitable container. It must having sufficient quantity to be used and also having how much quantity to be used in packed in must be packed. After packaging process can be completed, it must be having proper label. The label of the container should be proportional to the container. The label should be used with proper paper, good quality of paper. It must be attached with using good adhesive material, and the label should be containing any special directions for use of specific type of medication to the patient. In any other guidelines can be given by the physician or should be entered in the label. These are the various steps involved in handling of prescriptions. It is the old process. In nowadays in market there are already prepared medications can be available in the market, so there is no need to compounding in a nowadays. In modern methods of prescribing nowadays, majority of drugs are available in the market at ready formulations, tablets, capsules, ointment, paste, creams, syrups. These are prepared by the different types of manufacturers and different doses. The role of pharmacist to hand over the ready-made formulation to the patient, provide advice if demanded. If any guidelines or special instructions given by the physician, he must advise to the patient. In present days, prescription should be accurate, clear, easily readable, and as far as possible, latent time should be avoided. Now, the drugs should be prescribed by the official general names and trade names. So, thank you.